first step is removing plantation and leveling the ground. Remove any material that is foreign like small stone, roots, etc. Lay down a soft stepping material, where the liner will comfortably rest without pressure. Cut the undercarpet to cover the area where the liner will rest. After covering most of the area, I duct tap the pieces together. Unbox the pool. My son did a good job unboxing. I am proud of him. Assemble and make sure the pool fits in the area prepared. Here comes the most exciting part of the day, stretching the line. Insert the top frame of the liner. Wide and 48 inches tall pool. Wow, we are excited by now. The pool have taken shape and actually looks bigger than we expected. Confirm the leveling. Ladder is ready to go in. Some more help just arrived. Connect the sand pump. Put in some small amount of water. Remove the liner creases as much as you can before filling the pool. all done. Fill in the pool now and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun videos like this.